Hi students of class 1. This is the new academic year we are starting. I am your computer ma'am, Shomi ma'am. Let us start the class today. We will not study today, but rather I will show you the computer book, what copy you have to make for the classwork and homework, and also the syllabus I will show you today. So let us start the class. Everyone, you have got this book. This is IT Byte 1. This book is your computer book. Everyone, please take out this book. I'm waiting. IT Byte 1. This one will be your computer book. Now, in this book, please turn the page. Go to this page. I am showing you. Go to this page, this content page. Everyone, please go to this content page. Now, in this content page, we are having 7 chapters. The 7 chapters we are going to finish in this academic year. Few chapters will be there in UT1. Then, along with UT1 syllabus, 2 new chapters will be added for half yearly. Then again 2 new chapters we will do for UT2, and combination of the half yearly syllabus, UT2 syllabus and annual syllabus, the final term exam will take place. We all know that 4 exams will be there. UT1 half yearly, UT2 and annual. Now, this is the computer book. Now, you have to make one computer copy also for writing the classwork as well as the homework that I will give it to you. And this copy you have to submit in the school for correction. I will do the correction of your classwork and homework, and that copy should be submitted in the school office. Now, let me show you the copy that you have to make. This type of single line copy, one single line copy you will make for the computer CW and HW work. Am I clear to all? So, I am showing to you once again. This will be the computer book, and you have to make one single line copy for the computer CW and HW work. Now, let me tell you the annual syllabus. Everyone, please be ready with the book. The syllabus will be for UT1, the chapters are chapter 1 and 2. For UT1, chapter 1 and 2. Half yearly, chapters 1, 2, 3 and 4. For half yearly, chapters 1, 2, 3 and 4. For UT2, chapter 5 and 6. For UT2, chapter 5 and chapter 6. Annual exam we are having chapter 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Chapter 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So this is our the computer syllabus of our academic year. Now, I am repeating the syllabus once again. Everyone listen to me carefully. Chapter 1 and 2 are there in UT1. UT1, chapter 1 and 2. Half yearly, chapter 1, 2, 3 and 4. UT2, chapter 5 and chapter 6. Annual exam, chapter 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now, everyone is clear with the book, copy and the syllabus. Now, after making the computer copy, in the first page, everyone will write the syllabus that I told you. This will be your homework for today. Writing the syllabus in the computer copy first page. How you are going to write? UT1 chapters, half yearly exam chapters, UT2 chapters and annual exam chapters. In this way you are going to write. I am showing you the syllabus once again in the writing form. In this way you are going to write the syllabus in the computer copy first page. Now let us do just a short introduction to chapter 1, that is computer, a smart machine. Everyone please turn to page number 7, and no need of the book today, just listen to me. Open the book and listen to me. Page 7. Now in this chapter, chapter 1, computer, a smart machine, we are going to learn about the different man-made things and machines. Actually identifying the different man-made things and different types of machines, and what are the uses of those machines in our life. And then we are going to learn about computer, the different parts of the computer, what is the use of the computer. These things we are going to learn in this chapter. So what are the things we are going to learn? We are going to learn the identify the different man-made things, different types of machines, what those machines do for us, and we will do the description of the computer. So these things we are going to learn in chapter 1. Now one homework I have given to you, that is to write the syllabus in the computer CW copy first page. You will make the copy, cover it properly, do the labeling. On the top write your name, class, section, subject, that is computer CW HW, and then in the first page you are going to write the syllabus. I am telling the syllabus once more for you. UT1 chapter 1 and 2, half yearly chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, UT2 chapter 5 and 6, and for annual exam we are having chapter 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Clear to all? So here I end the class today. Next class again we will do chapter 1 explanation. So bye bye, have a nice day. Please do the homework, and if you get time, go through the book. Just go through the book. Look at the pictures and go through the book. Go through the book. So bye bye, have a nice day.